Hello and welcome to 2-Minute Design. I'm Dage and today we're gonna make the background of a portrait shot black and white while preserving the colors of the subject. This is me hiking in my most comfortable clothes, and what we need to do is to create a selection around me, invert the selection, and then make everything inside it black and white. Now there are 189,755 ways to create the selection. In the description below you can find links to various videos about selection tools that you can use, so make sure to check them out. For this one though, I will simply go to Select, Subject. And just like that, we have created a selection around me. Next, go to Select, Inverse. This will invert the selection, so now everything is selected except for me. Now go to the Layers panel, click on this button to add an adjustment layer, and then choose Black and White. Awesome. The background is now black and white. You can also control the adjustment layer by going to the Properties panel, make sure the layer itself is activated here, and you can choose a preset that you like, or you can manually control these sliders to achieve the look that you want. And that's it. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.